Top 3 Robot Vacuum Showdown. Roborock Q5 Max Plus versus Shark AI Ultra versus iRobot Roomba i5 Plus. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where today we dive into the top 3 robot vacuums you need to know about in 2025. We're putting the popular Roborock Q5 Max Plus head-to-head against two tough competitors, the Shark AI Ultra and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. Which one should you trust to keep your home spotless? Let's find out. First into the octagon, Roborock Q5 Max Plus. First up, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. Known for its fantastic suction power, the Q5 Max Plus is equipped with a whopping 5,500 Pa suction, LiDAR navigation, and a self-emptying dock that holds up to 7 weeks worth of dust. Pros: exceptional suction power. With 5,500 Pascal, it easily lifts dirt from both carpets and hard floors. Self-emptying dock. The auto-empty dock saves you from daily dustbin duties. Smart mapping. Advanced LiDAR scanning ensures precise mapping and customized cleaning zones. Battery life. Up to 180 minutes on a single charge, ideal for larger homes. Up and voice control. Seamless integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and an intuitive app. Cons. Higher price point. It might be too costly for budget-conscious buyers, but currently available for almost $200 off. Number 2, Shark AI Ultra. This vacuum makes a splash with Matrix Clean navigation, ensuring thorough coverage and a bagless self-empty base that holds up to 30 days of debris. Pros: bagless self-emptying base saves money over time by eliminating the need to purchase replacement bags. AI navigation. Matrix Clean ensures multiple passes covering even the messiest spots. Carpet Boost automatically increases suction on carpets. Reliable app control. Custom schedules, no-go zones, and detailed map customization. Affordable price. Generally priced lower than Roborock's high-end models. Cons: less precise mapping. While improved, the mapping isn't as laser-precise as Roborock's. Slightly louder operation. It can be a bit noisy compared to competitors. Smaller dust capacity. You may need to empty the base more frequently for heavy households. Number 3, iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus has software smarts and a vacuum mop combo. It covers multiple cleaning needs. Pros: a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, great for homes with mixed surfaces. Self-emptying bin, up to 60 days without touching dirt. Intelligent room mapping. Thanks to Imprint Smart Mapping, you can clean specific rooms on command. iRobot OS features. Learn and adapt to your cleaning habits. Strong brand reputation, trusted reliability, and strong customer support. Cons: lower suction compared to Roborock, not ideal for thick carpets. Mopping is basic, it's more of a damp wipe, not deep mopping. Pricey for the features. Other brands offer stronger suction and better mopping at a similar or lower price. So which robot exits the octagon the winner? Roborock Q5 Max Plus is the best for powerful cleaning, premium mapping, and hands-free maintenance. Shark AI Ultra is perfect if you want strong cleaning and mapping at a more budget-friendly price, with the bonus of a bagless system. iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is ideal for those who want trusted reliability, basic mopping, and a system that learns your lifestyle over time. Roborock is also Wirecutter's #1 pick, which reports it is almost $200 off. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart home tech reviews. Comment below, which one would you trust with your floors? See you next time.